Good morning, sweet, or good afternoon, sweet boy. Today is day 17, I want to say. It's Thursday. And here you are, sleeping beautifully. Here's your tummy. Dr. O came and squished down a little bit more today, so it's a little smaller. There's your cutie patootie toes. The nurse tells me it's better if you keep them straight for your circulation, but you keep pulling them back up anyways, because I think you like them heels together. That's the same way you had them in the womb, with heels together and hands up just like that in the womb. I think you're a swaddling kind of baby, and you would love to be swaddled when you can be. I think you would like that a lot. But anyhow, I love you, sweet pea. Here. Still haven't had any feeds. Still on the oxygen. Your heart rate's been kind of high today, and you've been a little cranky, but they've been keeping the top up so that you don't overheat. And so I don't think you like it with it being quite as noisy in here. I think you like it better when the top down, and it's a little quieter in here for you. But we can't put the top down if you're going to get too hot, so we got to leave it up. But I love you, sweet man. I love you, big boy. Mommy's going to come see you tomorrow, okay, sweetie? Mommy come see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye-bye.